Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enhance TikTok video quality with these built-in tools on TikTok. So if you want to get a better picture, a better quality of the picture or videos when you upload it or recording a video to take on TikTok, this is what you are going to do. So there's a tool on TikTok called AI Enhance. So it will instantly enhance your videos quality or your pictures quality here. So what you need to do is just to open the TikTok apps. Okay, after it's open, you can now just click on the plus icon to create or to start recording a video. And after this, you can click on the effect options, this one. Now swipe through the category and then tap on the tool options. Okay, so under the tool there will be this one. You can see the one with the black background and image on it. This is the AI Enhance, so you can see higher picture quality apply, and here you can take a picture with this tool, or you can also record a video in here. You can just fix the focus and then you can start recording your TikTok video. So hopefully it will get you a better picture quality, and when you're done you can just click on a check icon in here. So this will be the result. If you want to, you can also add another effects, or you can also edit it again. So don't forget to use this tool whenever you upload your TikTok video. When you record a TikTok video, I recommend you to use this effect. So guys, that's all from me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. So if you got any question about TikTok or about any of the tutorial, you can just leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like this video. And to support our channel, you don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and also click on the thanks button. So that sum up my tutorial on how you can enhance TikTok video quality with a built-in TikTok tool. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.